Guys, look what we have back in the shop. BMW M8. Beautiful, fat car. Pushing over 800 horse to the wheels. Got a full stainless steel system. Last week he brought it. We added an X-pipe in. He's got catless downpipes, everything. Full system. We added the X-pipe here. He brought it back today. He's like, I want to refine it more. So we added some Flowmaster Outlaws for him. 2 of them, one there, one there. And then he's got an Alibaba valve system. He said it was just too loud when the valves are open. So that's why he added the Flowmaster to refine it more. And then he's like, I want to finish it off. I don't like the 4-inch tips. So that came with the system. So he brought us 4.5-inch tips that we just installed for him. It's the only one in the US that has 4.5-inch tips out the back. It just fits this beefy car. If you guys want to follow his builds, that's the name of his Instagram. Go follow him. It's an M8 competition. All right. Stay tuned. Guys, 2020 BMW M8 competition. All murdered out and looks amazing for a good friend. So he had this system installed somewhere else, his downpipes, as you guys can see. Full stainless steel system, 3-inch. And then what we did is added an X-pipe to refine the sound. It didn't have an X-pipe on it before. And also he wanted it more refined, so we added 2 Flowmaster Outlaws there and right there. And it's an Alibaba system. It's from like the manifolds back, okay? He had that installed. It's like a valve system out the back, as you guys can see there. And the Flowmaster Outlaws that you guys see right there, there's the part number on them, 15430S. There'll be a link in the description and on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. Anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear. Hope you guys like it. M8 competition. Fully downpipe back, straight pipe 3-inch, X-pipe, AliExpress downpipe system, fully stainless steel 3-inch with valves. And we just added these tips on it and Flowmaster Outlaws. All right, here we go. Go ahead. Wow, this is with the valves open, guys. Wow, that complimented very nice. Right at 112. What a beast. You can hear the turbo spooling. 800 to the wheels, guys. Close the valves now. That was valves open, guys. Look at the difference. It's like stock again. Wow. Yeah, it's still got the barbels, but it's quiet. I'll take it valves open all day. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 90. That's crazy from 112. All right, go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Right down the street from Skyline Hospital, right before Due West Avenue on Dickerson Pike. With this beautiful M8 competition. Lowered, very nice stance, as you guys can see. Juan's enjoying every minute of it, except for the sun. He just had it washed, I guess. Clean. What a beauty. Look at those massive brakes. Look at those calipers. Jeez. The front ones are even bigger. So that's valves closed. Again. Open the valves. Takes it a minute to open the valves, but did it so cleanly. Like a friggin' jet, and he flies. It's perfect. Let's guys here on the inside. What a beast, man. And you guys can follow his build at EC Auto, EC_Auto on Instagram and YouTube. We'll link it in the description, guys, for you guys, so you can follow his build. Really cool dude. We do all his cars. Very, very stand-up guy. Just wait till you hear. All his cars are like this. He loves a lot of speed. Uh-oh. Trunk open. Here we go. M8 competition. Those tips fitted perfectly, bro. Look. Jeez! Did you see that? Damn! That's nuts. That was beautiful. Beast mode every time for him. Wow. Wow. And it handles like a dream. He was going like this. Enjoy, guys. That was awesome. Beast mode. Brought the whole crew. The M3, the M5, and the Raptor. So they're all going to take off. Let's see. And then he goes, opens his gas cap. Look at him. All right, here we go. First the Raptor. He's gonna take off. M3, M5, and Raptor. So there goes the Raptor. Now the M5. Did you put it in M2? Don't forget. The M3. Let's see what you can do. Not bad, not bad. A lot of fun.